Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you a very quick, easy, delicious and yummy breakfast recipe. When you try this out, you won't stop making it for yourself and your family. Let's get started. I placed water in a pot and on the fire. I cut, sliced and washed my yam, added it to the pot on the fire. I sprinkled salt on it. The salt will be to your desired taste. I covered and allowed to boil. Here the yam is already boiled. It's a white yam recipe. I proceeded to adding vegetable oil to my pan. I allowed it to heat a little and I added my onions. Add any quantity of onions you like. This is my desired quantity. I sauteed my onions. Then I added my pepper, my blended pepper. I stirred and allowed it to simmer for some time. And I proceeded to add in my cut fresh tomatoes. I prefer the best tomato to use in this recipe is fresh tomatoes. It will give you that sweet and nice taste. I allowed my tomatoes to cook. See how beautiful it is. I allowed it to cook till I am satisfied. I added my seasoning cube. And I added my salt. You can add any spice that you like, but these are my desired spice. I stirred everything together. By this time, my kitchen was smelling very, 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 very sweet. I broke my eggs. I used 4 eggs in this recipe, 4 to 5 eggs, but you can use as much as you want or as less as you want. I added it to my pan. I allowed it to foam a little. I did not stir immediately. I allowed it to foam a little. Then I stirred together because I like seeing that chunky egg in my recipe, in my sauce. So I didn't stir immediately. I love it when I'm eating it and I'm seeing some chunky parts of the eggs. But if you don't like it this way, you can stir immediately. You add your egg. See how beautiful it is? Yeah, and it's ready. Here I plated my white yam and egg sauce. You can add any protein of your choice. I didn't use any protein in this. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more yummy and more delicious recipes. Yeah, and this is me at the end of everything. I devoured my boiled yam and egg sauce recipe. It was very, very, very delicious. Will you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment box. Bye.